Now, when I was looking for a cheap lighting kit for my YouTube channel, it was a choice between ring lights or softbox lights. And apparently ring lights are especially good for close-up shots in hair and beauty videos, whereas softbox lights are more versatile, allowing you to be more creative with your lighting setup. So I decided to go for softbox lights, and I chose the RALENO softbox lighting kit from Amazon. And I think it's brilliant, and I'll show you why in this review. It's really good. I am very impressed.
You can run from darkness but never hide. You can look for beauty but hear the lies.
And hopefully, after I've set this up, my reviews should be slightly better quality. And here we go. How about that? That's good. Nice carry case. It's got a good weight to it as well. Let's have a look inside. It comes with a basic user guide. Showing you how to set it up. Okay. That looks alright. There you go, how about that? I like that. Good size. Very reflective. So let's see how high I can get it. That is really good. And you want these legs as wide as possible to give your light the maximum stability. And so you can adjust by pushing up or down against these legs just to get them spread out as wide as possible. First thing you need to do is unscrew this little plastic cap, and then we can attach the light to the tripod. There you go. This is how much cable you get. That's how much cable you get. So it depends where you're going to position them and where your light sockets are. You might need an extension cable. Because you don't want loads of cable. You don't want to be tripping over cable. Plug it in. Oh, there you go. Classic. Don't do that. Moment of truth. There you go. That's really good. Now we can attach the diffuser, which has got some Velcro fastenings on each of these sides. Let's do a test with all the lights, all my other lights off. Okay, so just to prove that I've got all the lights off, on. There you go. Now here's one of the light bulbs that comes in the kit, and it's a pretty good sized bulb actually. It's 85 watts. The maker is RALENO, but I'm sure you could use any bulb that you wanted really, as long as it's got the same screw light fitting. But this one's giving out a lot of light because I'm filming this sequence now with one of the soft light box lights switched on with the curtained diffuser on it. And to be honest, you'd probably get away with just one of these for filming, because they do give out a fair amount of light. As you can see, that's the only light I've got switched on. But I'm going to try this in my other soft light, which I've just set up, just to see the difference. So let's do that now. Let's bring it back a bit. And there you go, already on. So that's two of them, so plenty of light now. I'm just going to angle it down. When you angle these, make sure to hold it firmly, because you can suddenly drop. That's the whole setup, like that. So I've now got both of these softbox lights set up and switched on. And as you can see, there's plenty of light coming from them. There's no other light, it's completely dark outside, so I am very impressed with these products. And they were very easy to set up too. So I'll leave some product links in the description below. And if you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe for a lot more tech reviews to come. Thanks for watching.